Alright, let's look at the auction engine pattern. So in this pattern, this is just commonly used in auction sites like on Libius or Fairby, where for Web 2, a server is the one that records the bids and the time limit and determines the winner. So you must trust the platform not to manipulate the bids or the timer. While on Web 3 Solana, as you know, is on chain and can be changed. So an auction state PDA holds the highest bid and the highest bidder and holds all this information and the timestamp on the seller. Then every bid is verified as an on-chain transaction. Then the program checks the big amount if it exceeds or doesn't exceed the current highest bid, and also the auction expiry if the time for the auction hasn't exceeded. And all funds are held in a program controlled vault, meaning no one loses their funds and it stays on chain. So yeah, you can't be scammed, so it just improves security. So let me show this on the flow. So as you can see here, the Abi and seller makes bids to the auction program, then the auction program checks the PDA and updates the highest and holds all the funds in this place and refunds it later to A once the time is over, once it checks the expiry check. So just like I said, since all the constraints are the program will guarantee that the incoming bid is strictly greater than the current record. So each time it needs to compare, each time it currently needs to compare level 2. That makes this easier, since every time is a transaction, it makes it just a bit slower. The clock that they will use is nationwide, so if the time may vary, it could affect, so developers must account for this. Yeah, as you know, there's fairness, so nothing can be hidden. That's the trade-offs. You have trading for fairness, capital efficiency, meaning you must have some funds to be able to bid before having the funds there. Yeah, and it's capital efficient, meaning you can bid now and pay later, meaning the funds are only transferred from your account when the bidding process is over. So they don't leave your account, it's just held in like kind of a PDA vault, but still be showing on your account balance. And there's a refund logic. So on Web 2 it's manual and might take days, but on Web 3 it's atomic and instant. So let's show a test. So let's show here, as you can see, the current bid is 2 Solana on our wallet from somewhere else tries to bid, but since we're using our in-app wallet, so let's try to bid 3 Sol instead. I'll place our bid. As you can see, the 3 Sol bid was accepted and it was verified and showed the current highest bid for whatever product. So this is just to show that this works.